morning, guys. We are in Oneonta, New York this morning. It is Thursday, May 23rd, 2019. And just backed into the dock here at Oneonta. Stock area is a little bit tight, only because of that fence right out in front here. There's a fence right up there in the front, and that stuff that they pile up on the corner over there. Okay guys, we just got empty here at Oneonta and we're going to head back down towards Brenningsville. Going to make a stop in Binghamton, take a shower though on the way. Okay guys, we're sitting in a bit of traffic here on 81 South, just south of Scranton. I decided not to stop at the TA in Binghamton and take a shower. Figure I'd come down here to the Petro in, I guess it's Pittston or DuPont, or one of them places, right here by the airport. They have a little construction here, but it looks like there was an accident down here. So an ambulance just went by a few minutes ago. I don't think there's any lane closures in the construction, but there may be because of the accident now. But we'll see. Seems to be moving, you know, halfway decent, so we'll see what happens. We got about 4.7 miles to the exit that I want to get off for the truck stop. Gonna run in the Petro there and take a shower and then continue on down to Brenningsville. Yeah, we're real early anyway. I mean, we're showing, if I drove, once I get out of this backup, I only got 70 miles to Brenningsville, and it's only just before 3 o'clock in the afternoon, so we're running a little early. That's fine, we got plenty of time. Tomorrow we'll be delivering New Hartford, New York, which is right there by Utica. And this is Memorial Day weekend coming up. Tomorrow's Friday. I will be going right home from New Hartford because I'm going to be working Monday Memorial Day. The customer that I'm running for right now, their attitude is if the store is open, the warehouse is open, so that means loads. So I got a load going to Johnstown, Pennsylvania for Monday delivery. So no sense of me going and getting it because it's the wrong direction. Tomorrow night it'll be the wrong direction to take home. So I just go straight home from New Hartford, and I'm gonna have to leave Sunday, probably Sunday afternoon sometime. So I'll be back out on the road this Memorial Day weekend, Sunday afternoon. Hopefully this clears up pretty soon though. Really wanting to get a shower. It'll be 3 days in a row. It must be some kind of a record. Okay, we will speak to you in a little while. Alright guys, shower number 2 at the Petro in Scranton. Pretty nice shower. Not too shabby. Okay guys, just coming back from our shower. Gonna walk around the truck, make sure nobody hit me while I was in there. Feels good to get a shower every day. 3rd day in a row. You can see there's a lot of reserved parking spots here. All those ones behind me, the row I'm in, and then there's another row up in front of me. All reserved parking. So hey guys, don't know what happened to the rest of the video clips from May 23rd, but I can't find them. Apparently I didn't download them, or something happened. Not really sure what went on there. I just had this one clip and the closing clip. So we'll play that closer now, and we'll see you later. Okay guys, we're in New Hartford, New York. We're all done for today. We're gonna wrap up the Trucker John show for today. Glad you could be here. Come back tomorrow. Give me that thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Okay guys, have a good evening. We'll talk to you later.